kitchen, my friends. Today, we're gonna make Jackson Pollock. Now, you might be thinking, Aaron, that's a painter. Aha! But if you say it in a certain way, Jackson Pollock. Jackson Pollock. Jackson Pollock. So, we're gonna take a whole fish, stuff it with jackfruit, and then we're gonna serve it on a special plate. So So here we have a whole fish. Is it pollock? No. It's something else, but it's a fish, and that's what counts. I've already scaled it, but we have to take its guts out. So if you're squeamish, skip a little bit. Ooh, blood. Yep, that's... Oh, God. Okay. Anybody know what gills look like? Oh, that! Whoa! Oh, this is cool. Albeit kind of gross, but cool. I have no guts! Often on this show, it makes the kitchen smell really lovely of butter and everything else. But if you were here right now, you might say it smells like a marina. In here we got some jackfruit for our Jackson Pollock. We're gonna add some garlic. Get out of the way. Some lemon zest. Some lemon juice. Oh, there's a cut on my hand. Ah, that hurts. A little bit of salt and pepper. Rosemary. We'll pop some thyme in there. Okay, we're going to slice this lemon. Now we're going to put this and these into there. Yeah. Just think pulled pork that tastes like lemon that's then stuffed in a fish. There. Don't that just look appetizing? Oh, God. We're gonna make a couple cuts. Okay. Get some oil. Pop a little bit on the pan and a little bit on the fish. Ow. That's a sharp fin. Roast him 450 degrees for 15, 20 minutes. The only thing that has to cook is the fish. The jack is already cooked. Is it done? I'm pretty sure it's done. That's really hot. And while we're just gonna let it cool a little bit, but while it's doing that, we need to make a little homage to Jackson Pollock the painter. Not just with our Jackson Pollock, but with some other stuff. If you've ever looked at his paintings, they're covered in wacky colors all over the place. So, we're gonna make some wacky colors. Jalapeno. Give it a dice. Some red pepper. I don't have any red onion, so we're gonna have to use this sweet onion. And then some mango, because if you haven't figured it out yet, this is gonna be mango salsa. I love mango. Lime juice. Salt and pepper. Whee. Well, I wish I had more mango, but that looks pretty good. So, now, get a plate. And in true Jackson Pollock style, we're just gonna get this haphazardly onto the plate. So just kind of, dollop it wherever. Just like, there we go. Now get your fish. No, we're stuck. Offset. Come on, Jack. In Pollock. We need to perform emergency surgery, nurse. We got a patient stuck to some aluminum. There. Some more of this, just kind of get that on top there. There we go. Give you Jackson Pollock, the dish. This actually looks really tasty. Now it's time to see what we've created. Okay, the jackfruit's really nice. What's the fish like? The doorbell? Oh, it's nice. Oh. If you're not a fan of crispy fish skin, you're missing out. Oh, yeah, this is good. I can't tell how much of it is just because I like whole roast fish, or if it's Jackson Pollock, and that's why. But you know what? I don't care. So I'm gonna eat this for lunch. You have a great day. Follow me on Instagram, @Aaron's Bakery. I'll see you next week, and stay happy. Okay, I'm back. You have to be very careful about bones. A lot of them ended up in the jackfruit. Enjoy!